I'm always surrounded by you, yet I don't realize that I need realize to sense your presence in my life and in everyone else's. But sometimes I feel like stopping the clock that has been ticking ever so quickly, making me look at what I took for granted all these passing years. I stand here trying to understand the web of magic that you have spun. I sit down, shifting my gaze around, feeling amazed by what you have to offer. The more I look at you, the more you feed my eyes with your beauty. I am your child like every other living being. Disbelieving you is not even an option, for if you leave us, then we would be orphaned. You are our world, embracing us with love in your vice grip. Always patient, even when we pay you not a hint of heed. With our heads full of greed, wanting more than we ever need. You never ask for anything in return, nor do you receive a penny. You don't sieve the bad from the good, because both come from you as flesh and bones, and shall go back to you as dust and smoke. You have given us this land on our birth, and you grant us a grave when we die. What more shall we ask for, dear mother?